What's up, everybody? Brian here from Attention to Details. It's finally here. 2000 Ferrari 360. I'm going to go over with you what we're going to be doing to it. We have a lot more after this too. A couple more Ferraris, Lambos, some more Corvettes, McLaren 720s. So you guys hit that like button to keep following us because we got some really good content coming to you. This one is our one we're doing right now. Again, like I said, it is a 2000 Ferrari 360. This car is in for a complete scrub and decontamination of the paint. Rims off, polished, ceramic coated, calipers, deep cleaned, ceramic coated as well, all using Dr. Beasleys products on this. Interior as well is going to be done and reconditioned. Everything is pretty much net, but we're going to refine it and make it better, and then protect it with Dr. Beasleys Ceramic Leather Pro. All the fabric, carpets and stuff like that. This car is heavily swirled. Well, I shouldn't say heavily, it's pretty swirled though. A lot of marring, a lot of imperfections, light scratchings, a little bit of chips, so we're going to be doing the chip repair on this. We're ripping all of the existing PPF off. We're going to show you the process through all that. Then we're going to be applying full hood, full fenders, headlights, full wrap on the front bumper with Expel Ultimate Plus. So that's going to be pretty neat to watch and see it come. We're going to be also doing the rockers. And in these vents here, somebody had put protection film, but they didn't do a really good job, and it's black in color. It's kind of a rubbery substance. So we're removing all of this stuff, which can be dangerous. We got to be careful with this because you can lift paint doing this. So we'll use a steam process, but you can follow us along on this journey from start to finish of what we're going to be doing to this. We're going to be doing also a complete engine decontamination, polish and scrub. We'll get the camera brought over here, guys, and I'm going to show you some things what we got going on. Get my light here. So this is some of the, this is what we're dealing with in the with the swirling. You've got some light scratches and marring and marks, but we're going to be taking care of all of that. Somebody has buffed this before, and we've got a few areas in these back tail sections here that we've got to be careful for, because I don't know if this light does justice, but if you guys can see that dark spot right in here, this is clear coat that's been burnt from somebody that stayed there too long, didn't know what they were doing. Well, they could have known what they were doing, but pushed it too far, and we've got a burnt mark here, and we've got one over there that's about the same. So we're going to see what we can do, if anything at all, with this, and we'll go from there and keep you posted on that as well. You can see what we do. Check that out. Isn't this beautiful, guys? This is a Fab Speed Motorsports USA exhaust system. The thing sounds amazing. This is going to be fun. We enjoy doing this as well. I mean, it's just what a beautiful beast. I'm going to walk around here. I'm going to open this door and show you the insides. All in phenomenal shape, but we're going to make it even better. Then we're going to protect it for years to come. Refine everything, bring it back to its original glory. A lot of the stainless steel covers and stuff here, we got some scratches. We're going to actually polish this stuff out, make it look really good. This is all leather, so this is all going to be cleaned up, brought back to life. Carpet, everything is going to be protected, like I said, with Dr. Beasleys. So we're very excited with this car, guys. Stay tuned for the videos. We're going to start doing the decontamination and wash process, and we're filming everything from start to finish with this car. Stay tuned for all that. Love and happiness. Peace.